We're doing. This is we are going to solve today AP stats problem on conditional probability. I've been teaching stats for the last 15 years at a local state university, and I make living by teaching stats. So I know what I'm doing, and I will show you some easy steps to solve this problem, this kind of problem in AP stats exam. So I'll share my computer screen with you. A light bulb factory has two production lines. The old line can produce 3,723 light bulb per hour, while the newer line can produce 6,528 light bulbs per hour. On the older line, 1.3% of the bulbs produced are defective, and in the newer line, 3.2% of the bulbs produced are defective. If a defective bulb is chosen, what is the probability that it will come from the older line? So there are two lines. One produces 3,723 bulbs per hour, and the newer line produces larger number, 6,523 light bulbs per hour. The older line produces 1.3% defective bulbs, whereas the newer line, although produces a larger number, produces more defect, 3.2%. We got to remember that. So total number of bulbs produced by the new two lines per hour is 3,723 plus 6,528. Add them together, you get 10,251 bulbs per hour. Fraction of the total bulbs produced by old line, or total bulbs produced which are defective. That's what I am going to find out. Fraction of the total bulbs that are defective produced by the old line, or probability that a bulb selected at random is produced by old line. Actually, I'm going to find out what is the percentage of the bulbs that comes from the old line in the total number of bulbs. It is 3,723 divided by the total number of bulbs produced by the two lines is 10,251 is 0.363. Now, out of this 36.3% of the bulbs that are produced by the old line, 1.3% are defective. In statistical terms, probability of a bulb being defective given produced by the older line is 0.013. Given means that condition has happened first, which means the bulb has already been produced by the older production line and it is defective. So the bulb is defective given it is manufactured by the older line, that percent is 0.013. Now, conditional probability is like this. Probability of event, given event A, given event B has already happened. Event A given event B has already happened is equal to probability of A and B, and the whole thing is divided by probability of B. So B has happened first, then A has happened, or multiplying both sides by P of probability of B on both sides of the equal to sign, we get probability of A and B is equal to, or actually probability of A given a B, which is the left hand side, multiplied by probability of B is equal to probability of A and B. Because probability of B, if you multiply by probability of B on the both sides of the equal to sign, on the right hand side probability of B cancels, on the right hand side of the equal to sign you are left with probability of A and B, and that is equal to probability of A given B has happened first multiplied by probability of B. So hence probability of defective bulb and produced by the older line is product of these two probabilities, probability of defective bulb given produced in the old line multiplied by probability of older line, which is defect. The first conditional probability is given to us is 0.013. That is to be multiplied with the probability of the old line. Bulb produced is by old line. 0.013 times 0.363 is 0.0047. What does it mean? It is 0.0047 value that the chance that it is a bulb selected at random is defective and produced by the older line. Continuing along the same line, if a bulb is picked at random, probability produced by the new line is bulbs produced by the new line divided by total number of bulbs produced is 6529. Bulbs produced by the new line divided by total number 10,251 is 0.637. And the conditional probability given to us, probability defective bulb given produced by the new line is 3.2% or 0.032. That is the conditional probability. Multiply that by the probability of new line and you get probability of new line and the joint event new line produced by the new line and defective. That is, if you pick a bulb at random, what is the probability that it is produced by new line and defective? Is the product of those two probabilities. The conditional probability is 0.032 times the probability of new is 0.637 is 0.0203. So here you have the conditional, the joint probability that a bulb at random is produced by the new line and defective. Okay. So total probability of defective bulbs is probability of defective and old line, that is a defective bulb and produced by the old line, plus the probability of defective and produced by the new line is 0.0047 plus 0.0203. Add them two together is 0.025. This is the probability or the chance that a bulb picked at random is defective is 0.025 or 2.5%. Out of that, how many are produced or what is the probability that is produced by the old line? Is the individual probability 0.0047 divided by the total probability 0.025 or 0.188. So this is the chance that if you pick a bulb at random and it is a bulb you pick at a random which is defective also. The bulb is defective and it is produced by the older line is percentage wise is 0.188, 18.8% chance that a defective bulb is from the older line. And the remaining 1 minus 0.188 would be the probability that the defective bulb is produced by the newer line. As you can see, the older line is a slower line, but produces much less defective than the newer line, which is a faster line, produces more in an hour, but produces more defective parts also. I'll stop here today. I'm sure you may still have some questions. Please do not worry. You can always shoot me an email at snandy88@gmail.com. You can also ask me the question in the comments area. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hey, if you like this video, give me thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. Really means a lot to me. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please do not forget to watch me out tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.